has already started, but that's, I guess, alright. We're going to the theme right now is chessboard. So I had to switch it up because I didn't really know the theme. So that's okay, but like now we got it. We'll start with the white and black. So I can also make this black. Because everything I'm going for is a black. And I don't want to use those boots. I want to use the Lana boots. Even longer. Okay, for the codes we're good. Now it's time to layer. We'll use this curve set. Okay. So fancy cinnamon. I'm just gonna keep that there. Oh no, I'm gonna also make it white. Because like it said, I think that's pretty good, I guess. I'm a fashionista. I want to get up to glamorista. No, I don't know actually. But I really do want VIP. Because I'm not a VIP player. Oh yeah, now I want to see if I can use it. Why is this looking kind of hard? But since I do want to make it stylish, we'll just keep it right here. I have the color. No pink allowed. I'm sorry. But no pink is allowed today, honey. I don't know. That's what I'm nervous about. I don't know. Where is the flower things? No, I did not paint the nails. Oh, and this is pretty good. I'm gonna roll everybody 5 stars. I got 26. Yes, 26 eggs. I want to get the bunny hop so badly. This is me. No, post 28. Is this really doing chessboard? Oh, it's the queen chess piece, not the post 28 minus the star. I'm gonna do every one post 28, like post 28, lose a star. I'm voting fairly. I don't like it. Bruh. It's not that it's bad, but like, I don't know. I've never tried this one. Why is this one like so good? I'm gonna say these. I am the black king of chessboard. And they don't have very teeth when we do them. They have so many stars. Frozen stars everywhere. I want it. I want that up. I want that. I want that right now. Oh, look over. Oh. Okay. I don't think he didn't give me time. I had 20 seconds. They got that bunny hop bug. Not fair. Ta-da! I'm not here. I didn't place. Huh? Help me. I did not place. I literally gave everybody 5 smiles.